6-count pattern, walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Once again, the lead, the follow, walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Right side pass. It's to the gentleman's right, or to the lead's right. So what we're going to do, we're still going to bring her out on 1, cross over on 2, crossing their hands, bringing them around 3 and 4. We're back on track, 5 and 6. In real time, walk, walk, triple step, triple step. All good with that? And if we combine the two, it looks like this. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step. Next thing we're going to do, as the lady turns her back on that right side pass, we're going to keep our hand above her head and let her pivot out, and it's going to be a walk, and we're going to follow right with her. As her back is turned to us again, we're going to shut it down by bringing that arm in front of her, so it'll look like this. Walk, walk, triple. As it comes around, we drop it, which lets her know that we're shutting this down into an anchor step. Last thing we can do, we can combine the right side pass and the sugar push. What we're going to do is go walk, walk, triple. This time I'm going to turn away and place her shoulder on my hand. Do our triples, then we're going to do a check step. Walk, we're going to walk out on her same footing. So right now we are not mirrored to each other, we're actually matching each other. So 1, 2, now I'm going to do a check step to push her back and let her trail down that arm, anchor in place. And in real time, walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, step, step, like that. Thank you. Now we're going to work for today. Thank you.